Majority of the Americans are incorporating batteries into their solar system. Here are 5 reasons why batteries are important in their home. Let's dive right into it. The number 1 reason is that the rising electricity prices are pushing Americans to decide on including a battery in the system. In many cases, you find that to charge a battery is very easy because you will simply harness the power from the solar panels, and this power is not lost, especially when you are not using that power. It will be stored in the battery. The most important thing is that this power can still be reused later. So that means that during the sun hours, this power from the solar panels is used directly to power your needs. Talk about the AC, talk about the lighting, as well as any sound system that you have at home. And during the night or the cloud cover, the power or the excess power that was stored in the battery can be reused to power your needs in the home. The second reason is that blackouts inconvenience a lot of people. So definitely for convenience purposes, a battery comes in handy. In case the national grid is out, it means that your power supply from the utility all the way to your home is definitely cut short. This will mean that no power, no lights, no entertainment, no Wi-Fi, no majority of the needs that are supplied by electricity. And that is why a battery comes in handy for you. You will be able to power all your needs for your home, and especially the entertainment, as well as power the essentials that you have in the house. Talk about the lights as well as other needs such as entertainment. That is definitely an important aspect when it comes to power reliability. At number 3 is definitely the impact of AI on the power needs. Power is required to power these AI data centers. In fact, there's a lot of power that is required for this particular purpose, and that is why majority of the Americans are switching to batteries. These batteries will definitely be supplying power to these data centers, and for instance, many people who are using AI will require to have power throughout. Assuming that there's something that you are running using this AI and you don't want it to be interrupted by a blackout, you definitely require a reliable power supply. That is why a battery will be very beneficial for you as an American in 2026 moving forward. Number 4, my top bosses, is the time of use of electricity rates. You find that the more you are using electricity, the more you will be charged by the utility supply. This therefore means that you require to have an extra storage facility, which in this case is a battery, so that apart from you relying on the national grid, you also have your own power source, such as a battery, where you can tap into, get power, and power your home needs, and therefore you will not be charged a lot when it comes to power. Electricity definitely is increasing in terms of the rates, and therefore you need to ensure that you are not connected longer on the national grid. This therefore means that over-reliability, over-dependency on the national grid will lead to you paying a lot for these electricity rates. Before we get to number 5, my top bosses, smash that like button, and also if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss on any episodes that are coming up. Number 5 is definitely the security reasons. You want to have a reliable power supply so that in the event that the power is out or there is any issue with the national grid, you have your own power, which will definitely power your CCTV needs if you have any electric fence, or if you have any system, an alarm system that you need to use so that you can raise an alarm in case there is an intruder. Therefore, this battery will power that need. Remember, in many cases, we require to capture the images or videos of any intruder or people who come and damage our property or even harm us together with our loved ones. So a battery will provide security in terms of reliability on the power needs for your home, so that you never run out of power 24/7. Thank you so much for watching our today's video. My name is John Gatehi, and this is Topics Electricals and Solar. Goodbye for now.